In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your FortiGates to the most recent version. It's very good to actually follow the upgrade path that is recommended for the version or the model of your FortiGate. In this case, I'm basically going to be upgrading from 6.4.10 to the recommended 6.4.11. There's the other version that I would be upgrading to. So once you go to system, you click on firmware, you choose latest, and then you click backup, config, and upgrade. Once you click this, it will tell you that it's going to cause a reboot. You click on continue, and then it will perform a backup. It will back up your your configuration, and then it will begin to download the image, and it will start with the upgrade. Please let me know if you have any issue upgrading your FortiGate. Thank you. Upgrading may take a while, because it will download the image online depending on your internet connection speed, and then it will install the image, then it will reboot the firewall, and once that is done, it will you will see the login page, and then you'll be able to log in. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'm going to go through this process, and then I'm going to show you the final aim of this upgrade. At this point, it's ready to reboot because all the download is already complete. Once this reboots, it's going to show me the login page. As you can see, this is the login page after the reboots. So I'm going to log in with my credential. Once you log in, click System, Firmware, and then you can see this firmware has been upgraded to the recent to the version we upgraded to. We're still going to check for more upgrade. Like I said, you can actually check the upgrade path and follow the upgrade path that is recommended. You can download the upgrade from Forticloud websites and then upload the upgrade from here directly. I'm going to show you multiple ways in which you can actually perform the upgrade. As you can see, at this point here, it basically will tell you your current OS. It will tell you what the firmware to upgrade to. It tells me the next firmware to upgrade to is this, and then this is the most recent firmware to upgrade to as of the time of this recording. What I'm going to show you is what happens if you do not want to do the upgrade, but just by clicking on backup and upgrade, or just clicking on upgrade here. What if you want to just follow the recommended upgrade path from the Forticloud website? Let me show you how to do that. Once you log into your Forticloud website, you will need to go to firmware, images, and then you choose the product FortiGate. You select your current product from the list. There are so many in the list. Select your current iOS version. You notice where you have the 6.4.11, and then you choose what you want to upgrade to. Then you click on go, and then that will give you the upgrade path. This will tell you the upgrade path, basically telling you need to move from 6.4.11 to 7.0.9 to 7.2.3. So basically, I can actually download 7.0.9 and 7.2.3 and then upload that directly without having to choose what's it called, the upgrade backup and upgrade button, or the upgrade button that I showed you earlier. So I'm going to show you how to download this firmware. So you go up there to the menu, click on support, click on firmware download. That would show you the products. The product we're basically downloading or upgrading is FortiGate. You click on the download button here, and then you remember we have 7.09 and 7.23 to download. So I'm going to show you how to download 7.09 and then how to upload it, as in how to upgrade it just using the Forticloud website. So here I'm going to go to this directory for 7.0, click on it. Once that open, remember that version is 7.0. So this is 7.0, there's 7.23, but right now I'm interested in 7.09. So this is 7.0, and then this is 7.09 down here. So I'm going to click on 7.09, and then I'm going to look for my FortiGate version. Remember, my model is FGT200. Let me show you that. So as you can see, my device model is 200F. So basically what I'm downloading is a 200F model. So I'm going to go to the firmware version again, and then I'm going to locate 200F in the list. There's 200E, there's 2000E, there's 200F, there's 201E. So I'm basically interested in this 200F. So I'm going to click on HTTPS to download that. Make sure what you're downloading is the FGT. There are other what's it called here, there's FW, FOS, and so on. But what we're downloading is the FortiGate. So FGT 200F is what we're downloading. So I'm going to scroll up and locate 200F again, which is this, and then click on HTTPS. So that will download the firmware. Once the download is completed, what I'm going to do is to then copy this download and upload it onto my FortiGate. So now I'm going to click on browse, navigate to where my download is, which is actually inside this folder 7.0.9. This is the file here, 200F FortiGate. Ensure that it's actually the one you have. You could also verify the build number as well. To verify the build number, just go back to the upgrade path, choose the model of the device that you're upgrading, which is 200F, and then choose the current version, which is 6.4.11. Choose the version you're upgrading to, as in choose it, there is a version you want to upgrade to, so you can see the path, and then click on go. Now you can see here the build number is 0444. I'm going to show you that in the download file that I downloaded and I'm about to upload as well. So here you can see build 0444. So that tells you that you have the right build. So I'm going to click on open, and then click on backup and upgrade. So it's just the same thing as me just clicking here and clicking backup and upgrade. So it's just basically the same thing. So I'm going to click on backup and upgrade, and then click on continue. That will start the backup process. Once the configuration has been backup, it will start uploading the image. It will validate the image using the checksum, and then once all those things are validated, it will perform the installation of the image, and then it will perform a restart. Then it will upgrade it from 6.4.11 current version to 7.09. So that's basically how to do a manual upgrade if you do not want to do, if you do not have the upgrade path like I do in this case here. So here is the step to do the manual upgrade, and here is the step to do the recommended upgrade based on what your FortiOS is giving you. Please note that during the upgrade, this might take a while depending on how fast or how slow your device is. Just be patient, allow it to go through the process, wait until you see the login page again. So basically all you're just doing now at this point is just waiting. You could just grab coffee, grab a cup of tea, or take a quick break, and then once you're back, you will see that you will have the login page on your screen. Once you have the login page, you can then log in back to the screen. Now it's getting ready to restart. Once you see the page grayed out, it's getting ready to restart. So once the device is restarted, it's going to show you the login page. Please like my page, subscribe. You will help me to make more videos like this and help other people. Thank you. As you can see, this is the login page. I'm going to log in, and then we're going to verify we have the recent, as in we have the version which we just as in upgraded that FortiGate 2. As you can see, I am on the current version, which is 7.0.9. Do not forget that the latest version I'm trying to upgrade to as of the time of this recording is 7.2.3, and then you will see all the latest version. Once it's available, you will see them here, and it will also show you all the upgrades you have, all the downgrade you have. So now you notice the interface has changed a little because this is how this particular version actually is being displayed. So what you need to do is to click on all upgrade, and then you will see the last upgrade, which is this particular one. So you can just click on this upgrade and then confirm and backup config. That basically will just do the upgrade for you. So different model, different version will show you different interface. That's one fun thing about FortiGate. So I'm going to perform this upgrade. I'm going to upgrade this device to 7.2.3. I'm not going to pause this video and complete the upgrade, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to get back and show you the upgrade. As you can see at this point, is rebooting, and that is done. So as you can see, I'm on the last version and everything is up to date. Thank you for watching.